Hello everybody, welcome back to Crafty Canines. I'm Sophie and today I went to the Promised Land. Well, okay, so I went to my favorite diamond painting store or shop and we got another diamond painting. I might have an addiction problem, but that's okay. So this is Magenta Warrior. And we've got Timmy a little excited right now. Tim. Come here. Come here. Hi, princess. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. I only picked up the one today. I made enough money last week that I decided to treat myself. Alright. Sorry for the crinkles. Here's the tube. Alright, so I definitely like these a lot for my diamond paintings. Alright. So we've got our little baggie. Let's see what's in it first. Okay, so we've got the two little pots of wax. Really like it that they package them this way. That way it doesn't get messed up. We've got our two washi tapes. These are Christmas. You see that? Oh. My little cover minder broke. Just like my last one. The magnet fell off. Oh yeah, I haven't been using my yellow one much because the magnets fell off. So the magnets are right here. The little drop is around here somewhere. But that's kind of sad that my cover minder is broken. That's okay. I've got glue to fix the other one because it is one of my favorites. Come on. There we go. So because it's one of my favorites, I was gonna fix it. So now I will fix both of them. Whoop. Okay. So we got our little wax. We've got tweezers. Let's see if these are good tweezers. They do make good contact. Can you see that? I had one set of tweezers that did not make good contact. They became, yeah, let's just say that they became different kind of tweezers. We've got the squishy. We've got our pen. It's a sparkly pen with the single placer a 4-placer, another 4-placer. Timmy, hey, come, Leia. And a 7-placer. And put these in. And this. The tray is warped. You guys see that? The tray is warped. It's okay. I don't use it anyway. I pretty much just collect them for random stuff. Like if I'm diamond painting and I've got trash, I put it in one of those. Alright, let's go ahead and close this back up. Okay. Timmy, you are just being very loud today. Hey, Dims. Come here. Come on. No? Okay. Okay. So back to the unboxing. Here we are. What? Almost fell. And that's everything. So here we have, it's rubber banded on, so put that off to the side. Here we have the instruction. Oh, excuse me. Whoop, that just ran away. We have the picture, Magenta Warrior. So I don't normally use these for anything other than to keep around. There we go. Here are our colors, including one AB and one LZ. It's got 34 colors. So it shouldn't be that big of a picture by their normal, whatchamacallit. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up. Maybe? There we go. Save that right there. I'm going to cut this open very carefully. There we go. And then I like to take this off. I do like this felt material. Hank, do you need up? Okay. Alright. Let's see here. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. Mr. Hank needed some lovin's. You want to say hi? Okay. You want to say hi? Here's little Hank Pinks. Let me say hi. There you go. Okay. Kisses. Alright, there you go. Okay. Oh, where were we? Let me get you guys back into position here. There you go. Might be too high. Alright, there you go. Alright. So, it's upside down. I don't mind. Because we're just unwrapping it. Timmy, I know you want to play right now. Okay. Ooh. It's a round. Timmy! Go to bed. Okay. So here it is. I'm going to show it in little sections. Timmy! I know you want to play, but Princess does not want to play right now. Sorry, life. Life with puppies. This is going to be a very beautiful diamond painting. And it's going to go very well with my other Craftibly. And I really love the sparkles in the canvas. And the fact that it's not double-sided tape. I don't like it. I don't like double-sided tape one bit. But I'm going to finish the one that I'm on. I promise. I'm about a quarter of the way through with it. So, yeah. Alright. Let's look at these diamonds. There's a lot of reds, pinks, a little bit of browns. See if we can get this open. There it is. Okay, I'm going to put it down here, bringing that one at a time, that way we can count them as well. So here's number 1. It's a beautiful reddish, brownish-ish. Yeah, I just made that word up. It's a word now. Number 2 is a black. It looks like there's going to be a lot of black in here. Number 3 is a more maroon and brown. 4, we've got brown. 5, we've got a little bit lighter brown. Yeah, let me bring you guys down. There you go. We've got number 6, which is almost orange brown. 7, we're going a little bit lighter into the orangish brown. Number 8, we're into the maroon. 9, we're into a cream or tan. I'm gonna go with cream. Number 10, which looks like it had an escapee. There we go. Go ahead and seal that back up. Get the air out. There we go. So number 10 is like either a very dark pink. Here. Just gonna put this over here. So it's either a really dark pink or a very light red. I'm gonna go with dark pink. So let's go ahead and pick these back up, and I'll put them off to the side. I'll go on to the next set. Yeah, this is where the lid comes in handy. I just stick them all in here in order. Alright, and number 11 is more of a maroon. We got number 12, which is a brown with an orange. I don't want to say castaway, but it sort of is a castaway, isn't it? We have number 13, which is like a maroon, a very dark maroon, or a grayish, right? Grayish, brownish maroon. Number 14, which is a very light pink. We did have somebody try to escape, so we get 3 of the browns. 4 of the browns in here. So I will find their house here in a little bit. So number 15 is a dark brown. It's a very dark brown. 16 is a different shade of dark brown. $17 is a tan, maybe peachy color. Number 18 is a green, maybe a, I don't want to say mint green, it's more like a, it'll come to me. Sage green. Here's a almost green gray or dark gray. We have number 20, which is off-white. I'm gonna go with off-white because it's not really white, but it's close. Go ahead and pick these up. Go ahead and set them down over here. $21, which is a very dark brown, like almost black. 22 is another maroon with another stowaway. $23 is a pink. It's a nice pink. Number 24, it's a little bit lighter shade of pink than 23, if you look at them right here. And 24 has 2. There we go. It's going to be a lot of 24s. 25. I don't know what to call that color. It's almost like a pink, but rather than red, it was mixed with maroon. Alright, then we've got 26, which is another pink, but it's a little bit darker than the others here. Real quick. I can pick up the escapers and put a weight on that. There we go. Number 27 is like a hot pink almost. 28 is like a lighter hot pink. 29. We're getting even lighter into the hot pink, but it's still, to me, these kind of seem like part of the family. Right, number 30. We're going back to the browns. I'm not going to worry about picking those up just yet. 31 is a lighter form of 30. And put that over there. 32 is an even lighter form of 31. But it's like 2 shades lighter. And then we have our AB, which is a pink AB. It's very nice. I like the facets on these too. Can you guys see that? Oh, wait, they ran away. There's one. Can you guys see the facets on there? They're not extremely standoffish. Like, you almost can't see them. Yeah, I like it. And then we have our LZ, which is another pink. There you go. It's very pretty. I think I'm really going to enjoy this one, but I am going to do the other one first. No, we're going to go over here. Okay, so if you look in here, we have some runaways. So we're gonna sit here for a minute and we're gonna figure out where they belong. I'm gonna pick up one, place it in my hand like so. And if I didn't know any better, I'd say, yeah, it's gonna be 5. You can see the top there. So number 5 decided it did not like. Yes, I can speak. I promise. Number 5 looks like it didn't like all of its diamonds, all of its drills. So now we gotta fish these out. Maybe. Are you on the outside? No. Okay. Put you right there while I pick up your friends. Now, if I lose a couple, I'm okay with that. But if I don't have to lose a couple, it's even better. Okay, is that all of them? Yes. Wait. Yes. Okay. So now you will seal back up. And I'm making sure that you are fully sealed. Why are you not sealing? You're not making that satisfying click. No, this bag is defective. Okay, so this one we're going to fold over whenever we put it away, because we don't need it throwing diamonds everywhere. Okay, so now we're gonna put these away. And we're gonna do that like so. 2, 3, 4, 5. Put this over here. Put them down that way. Yeah, this always takes a solid minute. But I do not mind taking a minute to put these back, because I do like the way that they're packaged whenever I get them. And this way, the diamonds do not run away, hopefully. And since I packaged the diamonds, or the diamond paintings, back the way that I got them, it does make it easier whenever I do pick up the diamond painting to diamond paint. Alright, here's the number 5. It's going to go in with the top folded over. And we'll go ahead and put number 4 right on top of it so that it doesn't run away. We'll get 3 and 2. And the last one, number 1. And we did have one more stowaway, or runaway. So now that we know that it's number 5, I'm just gonna place it right there, because it should hold. And then again, what I like to do is, after I have them nice and contained, I'll just roll this over, and then it's almost like it was never opened. Except it is a little heavy in some spots and not in others. What do you think? Okay. Then we're gonna grab our canvas. We're gonna unroll it. We're going to put our diamonds inside. We're gonna roll it 2 times, and then I like to put the sticker sheet here if it feels like cooperating. And here we go. All rolled up. And then we grab the baggie. And we slide, no, come on. Slide the diamond painting back in there. We seal it up. And we tuck in the excess here and get some of the air out. And then we slide it. And then the tool bag, just like so. And then we put the lid on it. There you go. And that's Craftibly for you. Definitely love this store. I did find a little cover minder that lost its magnet. So I'm going to be gluing the magnet back on this one and onto the one that was in here. I'm not going to do it right now. I will put it back in its little case so that it is protected and happy. Happy? Oh, happy. Yeah, it's happy. Yay! Oh, yay! I do definitely love this one. I mean, I've got my heart ones, but yeah. And I wanted to thank all of my subscribers. You guys are awesome and amazing, and I love you. And I will see you guys next time. Happy crafting. Bye.